Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a kaftan style layered kurta, and it's going to resemble somewhat like a poncho style dress. And today let me show you how to make this. To make this dress, first you're going to prepare your kurti or kurta, whatever you make it. So this is going to be my neckline, and to make this style you're going to increase the neckline width to be half inch. Like normally I used to keep like 3 inches. Now I have increased my neckline width to 3.5 inches, and the depth of the neckline is going to be like 5 inches again. And draw a square like this, and you're going to mark like a scoop neckline. Okay, and let me cut this neckline. So this is a two fabric, that is the front and the back piece. Make sure that you place both the front and back piece like such, and you're going to cut into the neckline like this. Okay, so both the neckline height and width is going to remain the same. So I took a very beautiful black color fabric, that is a georgette dupatta you can call, or like any kind of fabric that you have. So I just took my dupatta like this, and I have folded the dupatta in lengthwise, and I am folding that in a breadthwise once again. And you can see it has a very beautiful silver lace on the side with a blue pink color butta work. So now I'm placing my kurta folded edge matching the folded edge of my dupatta, and I'm just cutting my scoop neckline on my shawl. Okay, so now this is how it's going to look. Let me take the sewing machine and I show you how to attach these pieces together to make a beautiful kaftan style layered kurti. So now first you're going to start by joining the shoulders. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sleeveless dress. So if you want to attach the sleeves, make sure after attaching the shoulders you attach the sleeves, and then you're going to follow with the instruction what I'm going to give you. Okay, so I'm going to start with some back stitch, and I'm going to sew all the way up on the shoulder like such, and I'm going to repeat that to my next shoulder also. Very simple, but it just looks really trendy. Believe me, it's really trendy. You can use any kind of old dupatta. You'll be having a very shimmery and like a sequence work dupatta would be lying on your wardrobe for a long time. You don't even know what to do with that. For this Diwali you can try a fusion like this. For sure it's going to work really good. So once the neckline is done, it's going to look like this. Make sure that the border of your dupatta is on the down part, that is on your chest line like this, and you're going to match all the raw edges like such. So the only key thing you have to keep in mind while making this is the border should be on your chest line. Okay, and the rest of the dupatta should be flowing on either sides how you wear the dupatta. Okay, on your shoulder I mean. Okay, so now make sure that you pin all the raw edges before taking this to the sewing machine, or else try to hand tag the neckline, because this is a very flowy fabric. That's a georgette fabric, is a very flowy fabric. You find really difficult to handle this fabric to finish off the neckline, because neckline gives a really beauty to the dress. So make sure that you pin everything in place, and then you're going to sew that. Okay, as I told you, I'm going to leave it as a sleeveless, so I'm going to continue by the neckline. Okay, I'll be giving a cross piece to finish off my sleeves. So in my previous video I showed you how to finish off the sleeves with a cross piece. So if you want to know, check my previous video of making the kaftan style same kind of dress. So now I'm just sewing on the pre side of the fabric matching the raw edge of the neckline. Okay, so little by little I'm sewing into the neckline like this. Okay, so it's going to come really neat. So make sure that when you're doing this style of dress, you choose a very flowy fabric, which is very important. Okay, then only you'll be having a nice flow. So this is a cross piece where I'm going to attach this to my neckline. Make sure that you double fold that and fold the top of the fabric, and then you're going to attach that around the neckline. It's a bias strip. Okay, So make sure that the raw edge of the bias strip matches the neckline like such, and you're going to sew it all around. So make sew it little by little at a time, because it's a very round neckline. Make sure that you sew little by little so that you will get an exact shape of the neckline. Okay, you have all chances that the neckline might go wide, so do not pull the fabric, ease with the fabric, and you're going to sew it like such. Okay, so if you like this video, if you want more kind of western outfit videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So now you can see I'm going to come into the end point where I have started my neckline. So I'm just chopping that, and I'm going to sew on top of that to finish off the style. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to open this out, and I'd be adding some notches. So add some notches like such to the entire neckline, and then you're going to add some top stitch to finish off this. Okay, add some notches like this, and then open the bias strip, and then you're going to add some top stitch on top of that, so that the neckline stays on the exact place when you turn, and also it just sits nice and neat. Okay, and once after adding the top stitch, make sure that you fold the bias strip to the wrong side of the fabric, and you're going to add another stitch to finish off the style. So tuck the bias strip into the wrong side of the fabric, and you're going to put a top stitch, and now the neckline would be ready, and it's ready to wear. All you're going to do is you're going to attach the sides of the dress, and if you are adding a sleeves to this, make sure that you add the sleeves and finish off the dress. Okay. Very simple and very easy to make. You can try this with your old dupatta, and also you can try it with any kind of nice georgette chiffon fabric. Okay, so this is the end result, and it's going to end. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time with a different kind of style. Till then, take care. Bye bye.